Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering tools and confirming the bar fits your space. Use a stud finder to locate studs and mark the center line where you want the grab bar. This ensures secure support. Measure 33 to 36 inches for standard mounting height and mark both hole locations on the center line so they align with studs. Once done, hold the bar in place and recheck level. That first accurate marking prevents offset holes and shaky installation. Now you drill pilot holes at your marked locations, selecting drill bit size to match screws or anchors. Pilot holes reduce splitting and help alignment. If you hit studs, drive stainless screws directly into wood for maximum strength. Where studs are absent, install heavy-duty toggle bolts or rated anchors designed for tile or drywall. Make sure the grab bar flange sits flush against the wall and tighten screws evenly to avoid caulking. This distributes load and preserves the chrome finish and mounting integrity. Finish by snapping on flange covers and wiping the chrome to remove fingerprints or debris. You should then test the grab bar progressively. Apply your weight slowly, then pull firmly to simulate real use. A properly installed bar will feel solid without movement. If you notice wobble or loose screws, stop and reevaluate. Red item, replace anchors with toggles, or relocate to a stud. One key troubleshooting tip: if the flange sits away from tile, use thin rubber shims and longer screws to ensure a tight, waterproof fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.